Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this lecture we will continue to distribute all these lighting switches. Now also for the office. See here for this office I have two doors. This is a door and also this is a door. I can put I can if someone enter from this door he want to open the luminaire, I will put switch for him here and also I can put switch here. So I will put the two-way switches. We'll copy all of those to be near the drawing here. I can delete after I finish it. Enter. Now I can put all those four luminaire in one gang and this six luminaire in one gang. So I think I need this. Sorry, first I must make it as one block. P any name. Come two-way to rank. Okay. So that copy from here. Copy. Also copy here. And I will do the same. What shall I do here? Identify the gang. Copy. And here I can choose any letter. For example, A, P, C, D, any letter I can use. For example, I will type here A, copy from the center here, base point, center, for copy in the same corner. Finally, I will mention that here this two-way switch is also A in what X. And here in this bathroom I require only one way, one guide switch because only I'm controlling one luminaire, the one lighting fixtures. Copy from here and put here, enter. See, I can make a mirror to inverse the shape here. Mirror. You want to erase the source? Yes. I can make rotate a little bit like this. Now we'll copy switch for all this bathroom and here also for this luminaire for the entrance of the bathroom. I can put one way here because it's just one luminaire, and here I can put one way, two gang or one gang, but I think it is the same because anyone enter from here is supposed to open a lighting. You don't care if it is one luminaire or two. Rotate from here. And also here we mention copy and choose delete, and choose for example C. Here also C, because all this bathroom is typical. You can copy all this letter and from this corner here, here remove these letters a little bit from the switch symbol. And also I forget to put the one-way switch here. I will copy again here, and here also for this office I can do the same for office number 2, selecting one-way 3 gang or two switches to one-way 2 gang. But here in the corridor I must put a two-way switch. Why? Because if anyone come from this staircase and want to go, for example, to the bove, here he will come from here and go and open this luminaire, for example, and suppose he arrive here, he want to close all this luminaire. What he have to do? So I will put for him two-way switch, one here and one here, for example, and also one here and one here. And for the staircase also I will put, as we say, two-way switches.